In news today, we have record numbers of Americans say they are suffering. I promise you, you do not know suffering yet. Idaho's being evacuated. Fires, big tornado fires, big fires, unreal fucking level of fire. The entire globe is still burning. Worse than it was last week. It's burning. Your trees are on fire. I got people telling me if I was right. You're laying on your side, and there's a massive fucking planet bigger than us within lunar distance on your north horizon. And I got people telling me if I was right. What in the fuck do you think I've been sitting here trying to fucking warn you since I was a senator's investigator and stood down about? I'm not wrong, motherfuckers. Go look in your north horizon tonight and see that massive fucking shadow behind you. If I was right, fuck you. It's right there. It's right fucking there. You can see it every night. We watched it take almost 3 years to get to this point. It never crescented. It's bigger than we are, and it's right the fuck behind you at night. If you don't look, you can think I'm wrong all you want. Have fun with that. I warned you about this condition long before anybody applied for their emergency use. I told you anybody and everybody getting the goddamn thing is going to have this problem. I wasn't fucking wrong. I sounded nuts, didn't I? I was told by a fucking senator what was coming. You, if you don't listen now, are going to fucking wish you had. You're out of food, and you're about to get nuked. The entire world has been told about this and why it happened.
President Trump, in an interview with conservative media personality Candace Owens, pushed back over her claims undermining the efficacy of COVID-19 vaccines. In a Wednesday episode of the Daily Wire podcast, Trump told Owens that he takes credit for the quote incredible speed, how the vaccines were developed during his time in office. Working with private pharmaceutical companies. Trump told Owens, quote, I came up with a vaccine with 3 vaccines. All are very, very good. Came up with 3 of them in less than 9 months. It was supposed to take 5 to 12 years.
In less than 9 months. I want you to take the note of the date. This was posted last year.
Turns out there's one left, and it's the big one. The crime of all crimes. An offense so diabolical, so morally repugnant, so contrary to the laws of God and nature, that once revealed to the public, Donald Trump is done forever.
Only you should be.
Darken the door of American democracy. He will slink back in shame to his lair off the 15 and prepare for his well-deserved punishment. We'll see him again until sentence. That's how bad this is. What, ladies and gentlemen, did Donald Trump do? We can now tell you. Donald Trump created the COVID vaccine. He did that himself. And on.
We just heard him bragging about it, Tucker.
Purpose, with malice aforethought, the vax is.
Not on himself, but he sure. See, y'all can feel any way you want about this guy. I'm telling you one more time. In 2014, I was told when Russia walks into Ukraine, China, Russia, and North Korea will nuke us. We forfeited the right to be a nation by allowing our government to do this to 3/4 of the population of the fucking globe. What don't you get? We got a Hunter Biden thing all up in the fucking news about how he doing fucking deals with Russia and China. Now that's going to get fucked up, ain't it? Going to piss somebody off by script. This is meant for you to look at. Every bit of everything you're looking at. These people just took a president 50 some years ago, blew his fucking head off using his wife, and made a goddamn hero out of the woman. If you don't think they wanted you to know any of this, they wouldn't be showing it to you. And there's a reason they're showing it to you. Put yourself in the fucking shoes of any other nation on this planet. And your child's sick because of what this fucking guy did. Now think about how they feel about you, motherfuckers. I've been warning you, and you keep going around acting like everything's just fucking normal. And it's not.